Am I the only one who didn't know this kind of video can make beginners 100,000? A lady is hiding under the window, the donut is delivered and she pops. Now people want to watch the reaction of the policeman. And guess what? Before you even see what happens, the video ends. This whole thing makes viewers watch the full video. That's a pure signal to the YouTube algorithm that this is a great video. Okay, stop. You must be asking, Mosh, where is the money? You see, money is in other people's wallet and it goes to you when they buy something from you. To find out money, we went to ChatGPT and we asked if only 1% of the 21 million viewers of this video simply purchase a $1 product and the video channel owner earns 50% commission, then how much money did this video earn? And the answer is a staggering $100,000 in passive affiliate commission. Now, to be honest, reality is not like this. And that's why we don't recommend promoting $1 offer or even create crazy prank videos like that. Our process is simple. We use AI to learn valuable skills. Then we make simple videos and publish them across Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. All our viewers go through an automated funnel. This funnel does the selling on our behalf. And when there is a sale, we earn $500 plus in passive affiliate commission. And the reason our students love our program is because it's 99% done for you. To learn more, comment 99 and I will DM you with the link to a free case study.